Next example 1.24. If A is equal to 3 by 3 matrix minus 4 4 4 minus 7 1 3 5 minus 3 minus 1 and B matrix 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 2 minus 2 2 1 3. First find the products AB and BA and hence using this condition and hence solve the system of equations x minus y plus z is equal to 4. This is nothing but the coefficients is 1 minus 1 1 and x minus 2y minus 2z equal to 9, that is 1 minus 2 minus 2, and 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 1, so that is 2 1 3. So the given equations, three linear equations, the coefficient value is nothing but, in this problem b is given, so b is equal to 1 minus 1 1, so 1 minus 1 1, and 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 2 2 1 3, which is same as b. So first find AB. AB is equal to minus 4 4 4 minus 7 1 3 5 minus 3 minus 1 and B matrix 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 2 minus 2 2 1 3. So using matrix multiplication we get 8 0 0 0 8 0 0 0 8. So 8 common, so we get 8 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 unit matrix, so 8 into I3. Similarly BA is equal to, first write the B matrix and multiple by A matrix, we get the same value 8 0 0 0 8 0 0 0 8, which is equal to 8 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, which is equal to 8 I3. So AB is equal to 8 I3 and BA is also 8 I3. So AB equal to BA equal to 8 I3. Take any one of the value. BA is equal to 8 I3. Second and third value BA equal to 8 I3. Multiplying B inverse on both sides. Because the three simultaneous equation is, the coefficient of matrix is B. So multiple B inverse on both sides, we get B inverse of BA equal to B inverse of 8 I3. So multiple B inverse on both sides, we get B inverse of BA equal to B inverse of 8 I3. And using the associative law, we get B inverse B is into A equal to 8 into B inverse I3. B inverse B, the matrix and the inverse, the product of the matrix and the inverse is equal to unit matrix. So I3 into A, I3, this becomes I3 into A equal to 8 B inverse I3. We get A is equal to 8 into B inverse, or B inverse is nothing but 1 by 8 into A. So A divided by 8 is equal to B inverse, or B inverse equal to 1 by 8 into A. So the given system of linear equations using the matrix form, 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2, 2 1 3. The given three linear equations, write the coefficient values 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2, 2 1 3. Ax is equal to B form, where capital X is nothing but XYZ and the constant value 4 9 1 is given in our problem. So this can be written as, this is nothing but B. This is capital X and consider the constant is D, because A matrix is already given, so put D. So X is equal to B inverse D. The solution is X is equal to B inverse D. So XYZ equal to B inverse into 4 9 1. We need not find the value of B inverse. B inverse is nothing but 1 by 8 into A. So XYZ is equal to, replace B inverse by 1 by 8 into A into D matrix 4 9 1. So 1 by 8 into A is a given matrix, minus 4 4, minus 7 1 3, 5 minus 3 minus 1, and the D value 4 9 1. Using the matrix multiplication, using the first row and first column, second row first column, third row first column, we get 24 minus 16 minus 8. So 1 by 8 into 24 minus 16 minus 8. So each element is divided by 8, we get 3 minus 2 minus 1. So the solution is XYZ is equal to 3 minus 2 1, minus 2 and minus 1, 3 minus 2 and minus 1. So in this problem, we need not find the value of B inverse, because B inverse is nothing but 1 by 8 into A. So replace B inverse by 1 by 8 into A we get the values x, y, z is equal to 3, -2 and -1.